This week's Torah portion, Toldot, provides us with a perfect example of how modern readers can study the Torah portion. In other words, that we can either read the Torah literally and understand it for the context and historical information that it might provide, or we can read the Torah as a religious text where the events and details of the stories are there merely to teach us lessons and to serve as metaphors for broader, more general lessons. In this week's Torah reading, Isaac is near the Philistine territory, and he digs wells in order to provide for his family and his entire household. Each time he digs a well, the Philistines come and argue with Isaac over the ownership of the well, and each time the Philistines take ownership and Isaac moves on, until finally the Philistines let him have the last well that Isaac digs. This interesting story, which might highlight for us something about Isaac's personality, and may or may not be true in terms of relations between Isaac's household and the Philistines 3,500 years ago, is better understood, I think, as a metaphor for our struggle to survive, seeing wells as the source of life, water being the source of life, and everything that we can possibly do to keep on digging to get to survive. And so this story serves as a perfect example of how we understand the Torah as metaphor, that Isaac's digging of wells is humanity's struggle for survival, and that just as Isaac was able to finally find blessing in his life, so too when we struggle, we should hopefully be able to find blessing in our lives. Shabbat Shalom.